Welcome to our channel. Here you will always learn something new. What are liquidity pools and how to set up a liquidity pool? Liquidity pools are a mechanism used in decentralized finance, DeFi, that allows users to pool their funds together to provide liquidity to a specific token or trading pair on a decentralized exchange, DEX. In return, users receive a portion of the trading fees generated by the DEX proportional to their contribution to the pool. To set up a liquidity pool, users need to follow the steps below. Choose a DEX. Select a decentralized exchange that supports liquidity pools, such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, or Curve. Connect a wallet. Connect a cryptocurrency wallet to the DEX, such as MetaMask. Select the tokens. Choose which tokens you want to provide liquidity for and select the token pair. Add liquidity. Deposit an equal value of both tokens into the liquidity pool. This will create liquidity for the token pair, which can then be traded on the DEX. Receive pool tokens. In return for providing liquidity, users receive pool tokens, which represent their share of the pool. These tokens can be used to withdraw their share of the liquidity pool and any accrued fees. By participating in liquidity pools, users can earn passive income by providing liquidity to popular tokens and trading pairs on decentralized exchanges. However, there are risks associated with providing liquidity, such as impermanent loss, which users should be aware of before participating. Explain what liquidity pools are in English. Pools of liquidity, also known as liquidity pools, are a crucial component of decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols. A liquidity pool is a pool of funds provided by liquidity providers, LPs, that enables users to trade assets without the need for a centralized exchange. In a liquidity pool, LPs deposit two different tokens to create a trading pair, which users can then exchange at a market-determined price. LPs earn fees based on the trading activity within the pool, and their earnings are proportional to their contribution to the pool. The creation of a liquidity pool requires an initial investment of both tokens in equal proportion, and the LP receives pool tokens in return, which represent their share of the pool. LPs can withdraw their tokens at any time, but the pool's liquidity and trading volume may affect the amount received upon withdrawal. Liquidity pools have become a popular method for providing liquidity in DeFi protocols, enabling users to trade assets without the need for a centralized exchange, and providing LPs with a way to earn passive income by providing liquidity to these markets. Step by step to create a liquidity pool. In order to set up a liquidity pool, you will need to follow the steps below. Choose the tokens you want to use for your pool. For example, if you want to create a liquidity pool for MATIC and USDC, you will need to obtain an equal amount of each token. Connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange, DEX, that supports liquidity pool creation, such as Uniswap, SushiSwap, or Curve. Navigate to the pool creation page on the DEX, and select the tokens you want to use for your pool. Set the exchange rate for each token. This will determine the starting price for your pool. Add your tokens to the pool, and set the initial liquidity for each token. Once your tokens are added, your liquidity pool will be live, and you can start earning rewards for providing liquidity. Now, let's define MATIC and USDC. MATIC is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, designed to improve scalability and reduce transaction costs. It uses proof of stake, POS, consensus, and is designed to be faster and more efficient than the main Ethereum network. USDC is a stablecoin that is pegged to the US dollar. It is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network and is widely used as a stable medium of exchange in the DeFi ecosystem. By providing liquidity to a MATIC/USDC pool, you can earn rewards in the form of transaction fees and token incentives. This incentivizes users to provide liquidity to the pool, which helps to improve market efficiency and reduce price volatility for both MATIC and USDC. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't get uninformed in this world of cryptos. Leave your opinion in the comments.